Most people don't lose respect overnight. It disappears slowly, through small habits we repeat every day without even noticing. Think about it for a moment. How people treat you today is not random. It's built over time, through small actions, small responses, small habits. The way you say yes, the way you stay silent, the way you ignore what bothers you. At first, it doesn't seem like a big deal. You just want to keep things smooth, avoid conflict, be a good person. But slowly, something begins to change. People start expecting more from you, respecting you a little less, and taking your kindness for granted. Not because they are bad, but because you unknowingly taught them how to treat you. And the hardest part is, most of this happens without you even realizing it. One of the most common habits that slowly kills respect is trying to please everyone. It sounds like a good thing. You want people to be happy, you want to avoid problems, you don't want to disappoint anyone. So you say yes, even when you want to say no. You agree, even when you don't fully agree. And you keep adjusting yourself just to make others comfortable. At first, people appreciate it, but over time, something changes. Your yes stops feeling valuable because it's always available. People stop asking what you want because they assume you'll go along anyway. And without realizing it, you slowly disappear from your own decisions. Being kind is powerful, but losing yourself to please everyone always comes at a cost. Another habit that quietly damages your self-respect is laughing at things that actually hurt you. Sometimes people say things and call it a joke, a comment about you, your choices, your limits, and instead of addressing it, you smile, you laugh, and let it pass. Maybe you don't want to make it awkward. Maybe you don't want to seem too sensitive, so you pretend it didn't affect you. But when you keep doing that, you send a message without saying a word. You show people that crossing a line is acceptable. And over time, those jokes don't stop. They become more frequent, more personal. Not always because people want to hurt you, but because you never showed them where the line is. Respect isn't only built on what you say, it's also built on what you choose to ignore. Another way people slowly lose respect is by letting others control them with guilt. It starts subtly. A comment here, a reminder there. After all I've done for you, or if you cared, you would. At first, it feels uncomfortable, but you ignore it, thinking it's normal. You give in, again and again, to avoid conflict, to avoid disappointing someone. But every time you do, you teach people that your boundaries are flexible. They begin to expect it, to take more and give less. And without realizing it, you start living according to other people's expectations, not your own. Guilt can be a powerful tool, and if you let it rule your choices, respect for you quietly fades. Respect starts with boundaries. It begins when you learn to say no, even when it feels uncomfortable, or when others expect you to say yes. Saying no doesn't make you unkind. It makes you clear about what you will accept and what you won't. At first, it may feel awkward. You might worry about disappointing someone or causing tension. But over time, people notice. Not because you changed overnight, but because you finally stopped disappearing. When you respect your own limits, others begin to respect them too. It's not about controlling anyone or being rigid or shutting people out. It's about honoring yourself, your time, your energy, and your voice, and showing the world that your presence truly matters. Self-respect isn't built in a single day. It's formed in small choices, repeated quietly every single day. Think about it. The way you respond to requests, the way you handle jokes, the way you protect your time, your energy, and your voice. Each moment adds up, shaping not just how others see you, but how you see yourself. Every small boundary you set, every honest response, every time you refuse what doesn't serve you, you're quietly teaching the world how to treat you. And over time, those choices become a pattern, a reflection of your values, a foundation for lasting respect. Not because you demand it, but because you honor yourself first, because you choose to show up as someone who matters. It's a simple truth. People respect those who respect themselves, and it all starts with the choices you make, quietly, every single day. Respect doesn't come from demanding it. It comes from honoring yourself. Every small choice you make, every boundary you set, every time you speak your truth, you are quietly teaching the world how to treat you. It's not always easy, and sometimes it may feel uncomfortable. You might worry what others think, but it is always worth it. Because when you respect yourself, others naturally begin to respect you too. And that respect becomes the foundation for stronger relationships, better decisions, and a life where you truly matter every single day.